Why is SEO important to my web pages? Answer: it makes it easy for both users and search engine robots to understand. Although search engines have become increasingly sophisticated, they still can't see and understand a web page as a visitor to your website. SEO helps the engines figure out what each page is about, and how it may be useful for the user. Focus on long-tail keywords. This is how you connect with buyers. Long-tail keywords, phrases that visitors use when they're close to buying. 3 or more words is required, often described as where the money is.
In order to deliver search results, the search engines crawl the web and collect information about every piece of content. Often the best results are online videos, and the search platforms want to help users find the most useful videos. Daily, millions of people find video content online. By indexing your video content correctly, you will help the search engines list your content in the right categories.
Let's now look at the essential SEO elements you have at a click of a mouse inside V-RHINO and YouTube. This tutorial will provide you with practical advice.
If you're going to use YouTube to host your videos, it's really important that you complete the title here and your description. And down below that you have your tags. This is where you put your keywords. And just below that you have your video thumbnails. Your video may have various different images. Important you pick the right one here to show in the listing. This is what will attract customers towards your video. Now let's have a look at the advanced settings. You have allow comments, and tick the box there. Users can view ratings for this video, syndication, distribution options, allow embedding, publish a subscription feed to notify subscribers, age restrictions. It's really important that we have category. So if we were creating a sports video, then we could actually select that category there. Look. Location, search for on public videos. Language. Key one within this is the category. When you've published your video on YouTube, you can then have a look at the recording, the embed code. So if you wanted to copy and paste this across to your website, you can do so from here, and this video will then be hosted on YouTube and it will play across on your site. One key thing on here though is if you don't want other videos to come behind it, for argument's sake, if you're promoting your car here, you may not want other dealers coming behind it if you were publishing this on your website. So if you tick that off there, this will only show your video on your website. For those of you who would prefer that V-RHINO actually hosts your video, you can come across here, and you'll see down the bottom you have embed. So you have share and embed your video. Use the links below to share or embed your video. So you have the URL, and then you have your embed code there. You literally just need to copy and paste that and take that to your website, and then your video will be hosted across to your website from V-RHINO. Add value. It may sound obvious, but your content should be relevant to your audience, and you achieve this by your title and keyword description.
Create relevant metadata. That will ensure your video is indexed according to your target audience. If you are hosting your video on your own website, then this is simply a case of getting your on-page SEO content correct.
Let's now have a look at a video web page that we created inside V-RHINO, and have a look at what the search engines can see. So if we go to the page source, this is all the content that the search engines are, or will pick up, I should say, from the SEO elements. So you see property in the title there, metadatas, and if you come all the way down, you'll also see it's picking up the text content. This is why it's really important that you set your page up with the right keywords for your target audience. Let's look at our web shows page for the BMW 318i convertible in Doncaster. As you know, this has all been set up now for this keyword phrase. What are long tail keywords? They are 3 or 4 keyword phrases long. They are very specific to whatever you are selling. You see, whenever a customer uses a highly specific search phrase, they tend to be looking for exactly what they're actually going to buy. So if we now look at this search term BMW 318i convertible in Doncaster, you'll see here, used BMW car for sale Doncaster, South Yorkshire, BMW 3 Series Doncaster, South Yorkshire, Doncaster, South Yorkshire, BMW 3 Series cars for sale in Doncaster, South Yorkshire. And if you come all the way down, Stratstone, BMW Doncaster, Auto Trader, click to the next page. Doncaster, 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 Doncaster. I think you get all the way down to here before you start to lose the terms of Doncaster and South Yorkshire. Long tail keywords are a better way to connect with customers. When people start to use these search terms, they are in a position and ready to buy. Let's again have a look at the keyword types. We have browse, shop and buy. So browse, laptop computer. Shop, touchscreen laptop reviews. Buy, Microsoft Surface Book 2 best price. This person is now looking to buy this particular product here on a long tail keyword search.
All you need to do now is create great marketing content with V-RHINO.